This is Lucas Davis with MarineMax. Today I'm going to be showing you our consigned 2022 Cobalt R30. This boat's got 286 hours, freshwater use only. This is a beautiful boat. If you like the color red, this is perfect for you. We're going to go up here. We're going to take off our shoes. I'm standing on a hydraulic swim platform that goes pretty far into the water. It's got three twin 380 horsepower Volvos V8s. As you're going to see, this lounger here, it's very versatile. This can come up on both sides, and then this can switch back on both sides as well. Here's your little entertainment cockpit area. You got a table. This switches up as well, so you can sit on both sides, and it can go back down if you want to kind of lounge. It's got a sink here, storage underneath here, beautiful helm, and of course a head. Plenty of room in here. Joystick. If you look up at the hardtop, it's a custom hardtop, red. You make your way to the bow. Plenty of seating up here for everyone that likes to get the wind while you're boating. If you have any more questions about this boat, just call us.